Hello, welcome to Sibzia channel. In this video, I wanna show you how to use pen tool in Figma. The first, I wanna search picture and you can use any picture as you want. Okay, I wanna search avocado. Okay, and I wanna choose this. Okay, alright. And then, okay. By the way, we can use ellipse for to make avocado. Yeah, sure, to make it faster. But because this tutorial about how to use pen tools, so we can click pen or you can use P. Okay. The first we choose. No. I mean, we can make pattern outside pattern of avocado. Okay. Yeah, we can click and then yeah, we try to follow this line. Yeah, this outside pattern. And to make it same, we can make it wave. Yeah, with click, control, and then drag it to up. Okay, let's see. We try to follow this pattern. Yeah, just try to follow this pattern like this. So easy, right? Yeah, like this. Just try to follow to make it same. Okay, like this. Okay, I wanna make it fast. Yeah, and try to make it until finish. Okay, like this. Yeah. Alright. You can click enter after that. And then you can click fill. Yes, I wanna move. I wanna make it same color. Okay. And by the way, you can choose the color as you think same with the real picture. Okay. Okay, we try to make it same. And yeah, I wanna make it the opposite pattern again for this chocolate, for this pill. Okay, this is some like before. You just try to follow this pattern. Okay. And I wanna make it fast. Okay, these are the definitions for the pill. Okay, I wanna group it. Yeah, to make it easy to move. And I wanna make it same color for pill. Alright. Yeah, I wanna make it the center. Yeah, you can click this eye to make it hide. So you can try to make a pattern again. Like this. Okay. And yeah, you can use ellipse or you can use this pen. Just I told you that try to make the same pattern. This is so easy, right? Okay, we can click fill and then choose the color. Okay. Yeah, okay, I wanna try to change the color. Yeah, you can choose as you think. Yeah, as you think suitable for you. As same as like the real picture. Okay, I think I wanna choose linear. I wanna combine. Just the first thing that to make it illustration and Figma, I think it's this really easy for you as beginner. And like me too, I'm still beginner and I'm still learn about illustration like this. Okay. Yeah, we just try to make it kinda similar with the real picture. Okay, I wanna make a shadow for this avocado. Okay. I just wanna try to make it, yeah, like a real, but it's okay. Just as your art, just it. If not really Sam, like a real, it's okay. I'm trying to. I'm trying to make it so that we can. And here I wanna try to fix this pattern. Yeah, if you wanna fix it, you wanna fix this pattern. Yeah, you can double click. Okay, now I wanna to make a pattern again. Yeah, I wanna move to executive group. Okay, just make it, yeah, like some some pattern. If you don't wanna, I mean, if you don't wanna follow the pattern, but it's okay. You can feel as you think. Yeah, as you think good. It's okay. Okay, like this. You can make it tidy. You can use shortcut that is V. V is move. Okay, we wanna choose color. Okay, I wanna bring the front. Okay, I think I wanna change this pattern. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. Get the better. Ah. I wanna make this to make it kind of same. You can click pen or you can use shortcut that is P to make it fast. Okay, you just click. Just click like this. And then click like this. And you can make it wave with control. You can press the control You control and then make it up or down. Okay, I wanna make it first. Alright. I think this is getting better and I wanna make it frame for this illustration. Okay. I wanna write a figure. Okay, I wanna move it and I wanna change this color like this. Okay. Alright. Okay, I think I wanna crop this real picture. Alright. Yeah, not bad. Okay. And this is tutorial how to use pen tool. And I don't know that you can understand about this tutorial. If you're still confused, you can ask me. Okay, don't be shy, just ask. And sure, I will answer your question. And I hope you like this tutorial, this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and give me positive feedback. Okay, and don't forget to click notification bell. Okay, just stay tuned and just wait for the next video. Bye bye.